All right guys, beautiful spring day, and I'm here on a new commercial property that I'm starting to treat this year, and I've already gone through and done the initial fertilizer application, pulled soil samples, and now I'm going to spray some weeds. And I thought that this would be a good time to introduce you to Flowzone's newest product. Well, one of them anyways. They're actually pretty busy over at Flowzone, but I want to talk about specifically today the Zephyr sprayer. This is a backpack sprayer in the Flowzone lineup that I'm excited about specifically for weed control. I like to keep a separate spray tank just for weed control. Spot spray on the go, ready whenever. And this is perfect for that. Let me tell you a couple things that I'm excited about. So I'm gonna go over these features with the primary use case being weed control, because that's essentially what I'm gonna use this for and what I'm gonna keep it on my truck for and in my garage. It's just gonna be for weed control, and I like to just have weed control ready to go at any time. It's just always there, it's always ready, grab and go kind of a situation. So a couple of things that I really like about this new option from Flowzone. So the first thing I like about this is there is a single switch on the side here, which is perfect for weed control because I just need on and off. You get 40 PSI out of this thing. It comes out around 0.2 gallons per minute, and on and off is all I need. So I know with the other Flowzone options, they have like a 5-position dial that you can adjust your flow rate, which is great for fertilizers and biostimulants and other things. But for something like this situation, for me, weed control, I just need on and off. Another thing I'm really excited about here is carbon fiber spray wand, carbon fibre, pretty nice. Super comfortable handle, inline handle, which at first I wasn't really that excited about, but for spot spraying weeds, I don't really need to squeeze the handle a whole lot. And if I do, say I'm doing a long continuous run, they've got a cruise control switch here. This switch, you can squeeze the handle, flip the switch, and it keeps it engaged, so you're just cruising, which is super nice. There's also a safety switch on here too that you can flip up so that you can keep it from spraying when you don't want it to spray, or keep anybody else that's not supposed to be spraying this from spraying it. Super nice too. It takes your typical Flowzone batteries, rechargeable batteries. Flowzone also comes out with a kit that you can use other batteries too. So you put on the adapter, you can use Milwaukee batteries and other batteries from other companies with your Flowzone backpack sprayer. Pretty cool. As far as tips go, spray tips, not necessarily tips in general for spraying weeds, not yet anyways. As far as tips go, it comes with a 0-degree nozzle tip, just a pinpoint tip. It comes with an 80-degree fan tip and a 45-degree fan tip, which is what I'm gonna be using on this property over here. I did the walk around, and as I was doing my stuff, lots of dandelions going on. So we're gonna tackle the dandelions today mostly. There's a couple other broadleaf weeds, but dandelions for sure. I've got T-zone mixed up already in my sprayer, and I'm gonna load this up, take a walk over here, and have you just follow me around while I spray some weeds. It's a beautiful property, and things are starting to bloom, and the grass is starting to green up, so it should be a good day. Okay, all done. That was super easy, and this makes all the difference. I love the carbon fiber wand. It's so lightweight, so it just makes it super easy for weed control, especially, to just point and shoot. And it's not heavy at all. The handle is really comfortable, and it just makes it really nice and comfortable all the way around. The 45-degree tip was perfect for this use case. Typically, I like something a little thinner, like a 20-degree or something like that. These are T-Jet style tips, so you can change them out if you want to. So I do have some 20-degree, somewhere in that neighborhood, of tips that I can swap out here if I'm just doing like a regular here and there kind of spot spray treatment. So this is the Zephyr. It's really cool. I really like it. I'm excited to continue to use it this year. You'll see it in more videos. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of fun and entertaining lawn care content and share kind of my hobby and my little side business, in this case, around lawn care. So that'll go ahead and do it for this one. Thank you to Flowzone for sending this out to me to try out and implement in my business, and to show you guys all about this new sprayer, which I will use specifically for weed control. But your mileage may vary. You might want to use it for something else. Maybe you want to use it for spraying around the house for pests and bugs. Another great option. Super comfortable, lightweight, fun to use, and reliable. So that'll go ahead and do it for this one. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check out this sprayer or any other Flowzone sprayers. You can get more information down in the description area. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, thanks so much for watching, for supporting what I love to do here, and I will see you next time.